Hey everybody, it's your old pal Willie Whitegloves here, also known as Drawn to You, and various other nicknames and aliases. And today we're drawing Anakin, Skywalker that is. So we're really happy. It's 1 year that we have been doing this together, Drawn to You 2 and myself, Drawn to You. So it was September 15th, a year ago, that we started doing this together. So the channel's been around a long time, but that was when Drawn to You 2 joined me and we started working on this together. So if you've been watching our videos for a while, thank you for all the support. And we're just going to keep doing it until the wheels fall off, and we're having fun. And thanks for being here with us. All right, so Anakin, starting here with the inks. And this is the Mustafar Anakin. And 2 really loves this stuff, so we thought we would do this for the anniversary video. The first one that we did together a year ago was Bill Cipher from Gravity Falls.
Subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment.
Well, whenever I go in and put my signature in there, that's me telling myself that this drawing is going to finish no matter what, whether I like it or not, whether I'm happy with it, doesn't matter. I'm moving forward to finish it if I sign it like that. So we're finishing up some last minute details on the inks here, and then here's the final version on the inks. Oh, Drawn to You 2 is taking over. All right. Let's see what's going on here. He's going to start with the hair. All right.
Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. I need you to. Like, subscribe and share.
I'm really proud of 2 and everything we've done in the last year. If you're new to the channel, welcome. It's a good chance to just kind of recap the channel philosophy. I mean, the main idea is like we are not AI. There's nothing. This is a completely human, fallible, imperfect, messy, everything that AI isn't. And then the other thing is no fast talking. That's kind of in the beginning. My son was looking at a lot of YouTube stuff, and they just talk really fast without any kind of break. And so I decided that I would talk in a slow voice and not overwhelm anybody. And we've stuck to that for the year. So anyways, if you're new, thank you for joining us. And it looks like 2 is signing here, meow to all, his motto. And he's got the little Anakin quote there and a little mini. He likes to do a little mini version of the character. And that's going to bring us to the end of another video. We're happy to continue to serve Internet. We had a good time with this one. Hope you did too. And until next time, I'm drawn to you.
Yeah.